Hello everyone, today is December 13th and what I want to show you here is the at the open signal for today. The current signals that you're seeing and the trades taken are for the trade scalper. I'll post that video in a little bit. This is all happening a little bit quickly, so I'm trying to do as many videos as possible when these orders and these trades occur, just to give everybody a feel on how day trade to win signals and how the trades work, and explain to you a little bit on how they happen. But for the at the open, let me just get the chart up here. Signal for today, we have here on a 1 minute chart a signal to go short at 46.8550 and another to go short at 46.7975. Now the way that this method works is that the first entry that you take, whichever one gets filled first, is what you take. So in this case, this got filled first, and that's what you take. This is a follow-up or chase the trade in case we don't get this opportunity at 46.8550. Now this is on a 1 minute chart, and the goal would be about 3 points. I think that's reasonable, 3.25 points. Anywhere between 2 and 3 points is fine, but the ATR is showing about 3 points. And the market went down about 6. Now you can trail a stop if you'd like, but I think that a 3-point goal to get in, to get out, and be finished within a certain amount of time is how we trade this method, the at the open. Also, if you look at the 5 minute chart, we have something a little different. There's only one signal, which is 46.8550, and the goal here would be 6 points, 6.5 points. But I think that because the market is a little volatile at this time, I don't want anybody to risk a huge amount of a stop when placing a trade like this. So for those of you who can, the goal would be about 6 points or so. The market went 7, and then on this candle here went 9, and then the following candle went 16. But these are all after the fact. You could only expect the market to go what the ATR, the average true range, is indicating. So in this example, when the trade occurred, the ATR was about 7 points, 7.25, and 7 points. So this is what I would expect the market to move, and it did. In a very quick period, about 5-10 minutes, the market made the entry. So when these trades occur, they're actually very good. They get in, they get out very quickly. What you don't want, though, is the market to go sideways and slowly head up or slowly go down, and really nothing is happening. That's why we have a time-based stop, a catastrophic stop, and some of the other moves we have are also pivotal stops. Those type of stops allow us to get out on whichever situation occurs first to get us out of the trade. The next mentorship class begins December 27th. If you're interested, the At the Open software and course is available to you immediately, so you can start learning and trading and practicing even before the start of the class. So this is the At the Open 2 method, and this was the Trade Scalper signal taken earlier today on the E-mini S&P. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out, daytradetowin.com. I'll see you at the next video. If you're new to day trading and want to learn more on the benefits of trading the markets, visit daytradetowin.com, join the next mentorship class starting later this month, and subscribe to the Day Trade to Win YouTube channel. We focus on price action and work exclusively with new and beginner traders who want to learn more on how to prosper from trading.